Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and we're going to do standing push through, stand outside the Cadillac with a spring from below. So this goes along with the standing squats with the push-through bar and the standing push-through with the spring from above. This would be the third part. This one gets a little harder. You do want to make sure you have your safety chain on, and then you'll add a spring from below, and then you stand heels together, toes apart, palms up. So this one you'll just do palms up. The other one you could do two different ways, and then you're lifting up. And then you reach the bar up from the back, then you have to resist the spring back down. This is really awesome for rowing 1 and 2, right? It's really awesome for boomerang, really getting those arms connected to your back and helping you learn how to stand in your feet. So you don't want to be leaning back and then leaning forward and then leaning back. You want to stand firmly in your feet as you move this push-through bar in space. I love this exercise. Super fun. It's an advancement of the bicep curls where you're kneeling on top of the Cadillac. So definitely check those out. Do it kneeling first if you feel good, you're not going into your back. Then do it standing. It's really easy to be like, oh, I gotta move the spring and push your back forward. And it's not what it's about. It's definitely about you staying in your whole body and moving from your center. All right. So give that a try. Let me know how it feels in your body in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.